Pack, move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Summerville local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves involve transporting your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. 3 Movers offers both intrastate and interstate moves. A move within the state is an intrastate move, while a move that extends over state lines is interstate. There are state and federal regulatory bodies in charge of interstate and intrastate moves, and we work closely with them. We have done all the necessary registration and have valid permits to transport your belongings. Our movers are the best in the best hands possible. They are knowledgeable and provide professional guidance from the beginning to the end of the move. Our movers are also cautious when handling your items. We know how important your belongings are, and we do our best to ensure there is no form of damage. Our moving trucks also contribute to the safety and fast delivery of your belongings. Our drivers know all the road networks, and before you know it, your belongings are at the doorstep of your new location. Local moves are moves less than 50 miles. In Summerville, Georgia, most local moving firms are not adequately staffed and equipped. 3 Movers is an exception. We provide the best relocation services to the locals. Our moving services are punctual, efficient, and reliable. In addition, we provide the best services at the cheapest rates. Our local moving services cost between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Summerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.